हेलो गाइस, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर कमिंग बैक टू आवर यूट्यूब चैनल। आज है 17th ऑफ फरवरी और हम लोग जा रहे हैं द्वारका कुछ काम से। आप लोगों को पता लग जाएगा वो क्या काम करने जा रहे हैं, बिकॉज आप लोगों ने थंबनेल तो अभी तक देख लिया होगा। तो यू माइट हैव एन आइडिया कि हम लोग कहाँ जा रहे हैं, क्या कराने जा रहे हैं। सो सुबह एक्चुअली मेरे पास फ़ोन आया मेरे फ्रेंड का कि मुझे द्वारका जाना है एंड सस्पेंशन का काम करवाना है, वुड यू लाइक टू मेक अ व्लॉग ओवर इट। तो मैंने बोला वाई नॉट, बिकॉज दैट इज़ अ गुड कंटेंट, बिकॉज दैट इज़ वन ऑफ माई पैशन। तो अभी हो रहे हैं 10:30, हम लोग अभी निकल रहे हैं फटाफट। मुझे पहुंचना था 10:30 बजे तक, बट एज लास्ट मोमेंट में पता लगा तो आई कुड नॉट डू मच। बट मैंने इसको बोल दिया कि यार थोड़ा सा वेट कर लेना इफ पॉसिबल, सो दैट आई कैन शूट इट प्रॉपरली। तो होपफुली ही इज गोना वेट। तो एक्चुअली हम लोग जा रहे हैं इसूजू वी क्रॉस, जो डी मैक्स आती है 4x4 जो आती है इनकी टॉप द लाइन, उसकी सस्पेंशन चेंज करवाने जा रहे हैं, बिकॉज उनकी गाड़ी के सस्पेंशन थोड़े से वोन आउट हो गए हैं, बिकॉज 50,000 किलोमीटर चल चुकी है गाड़ी। और लाइक कुछ दिन पहले उसके पास डॉक्टर नैनो करके कंपनी है, डॉक्टर नैनो सस्पेंशन करके, उनका एक फोन आया कि दे आर लाइक प्रोवाइडिंग सस्पेंशन फॉर लाइक परफॉर्मेंस मॉड्स एंड ऑल। तो ही सेड व्हाई नॉट, हम लोग ट्राई कर लेते हैं बोले सस्पेंशन। सो अभी उन्होंने पूरा किट भेज दिया उसको। सो हम लोग उसको सस्पेंशन को सेटअप करवाने जा रहे हैं। एंड टॉकिंग अबाउट डॉक्टर नैनो, दे आर लाइक वन ऑफ द बेस्ट सस्पेंशन manufacturers in India. They actually provide suspensions for different cars like gypsies, boleros, any kind of 4x4 vehicle, and they can provide you a sturdy suspension. Uh, at the same time, that suspension which we are getting installed, it gives you a lift. That means अगर आपकी गाड़ी की हाइट 40 इंचेस है, 50 इंचेस है फ्रॉम टायर टू द बोनट, इट कैन गिव यू अ लिफ्ट ऑफ 2 इंच। तो ऑफ रोडिंग में वो काम आता है, बिकॉज 2 इंचेस इज अ लॉट व्हेन इट कम्स टू ऑफ रोडिंग। सो लेट्स बिगिन द जर्नी। The car is right behind us, and this is the Isuzu V-Cross which we are working on right now. This is owned by one of my friend, और हम लोग अभी फ़िलहाल इसके शॉक अब्जॉर्बर्स चेंज कर रहे हैं, which is composite leaf spring, which would be installed, जो पहले से installed आते हैं, which is like metal, which is really heavy, but ये almost 1/3 ऑफ द वेट होते हैं उसके, विच मीन्स यू हैव अ लेसर वेट। एंड नाइट्रो चार्ज शॉक अब्जॉर्बर्स होंगे पीछे, विच मीन्स इट गिव्स यू बेटर comfort ride. The one which we are installing right now is this one, which is from Dr. Nano. This one is from Dr. Nano, and this is a carbon composite leaf spring, which gives you much comfortable ride. And the one which we have here, this is the nitro filled shock absorber, and ये वाला साइड हम लोगों ने कर लिया है, but I'll show you पीछे वाला साइड। but अब I'll just show you how it is done पीछे वाला साइड, so I'll give you a very quick time lapse on that. you like to talk about it, Akshish?
Yeah, sure, why not?
So
these are the new composite leaf spring that we are installing. So we picked up these from Dr. Nano. They are pioneers when it comes to making composite leaf spring and gas-filled nitrogen shockers. As you would have told them earlier, this is much thicker shocker. It's got a better damping capability, and same goes for the spring also.
okay.
So it's not like a conventional leaf spring. One big advantage is that this leaf spring, single spring, is almost like 8 or 9 kgs or 10 kgs, wherein a conventional leaf spring is close to 25 to 30 kgs.
Which technically reduces the weight of the car.
Yeah, so we'll have a weight reduction of close to around 30-40 kgs on the rear, which is an added advantage. Weight is always a burden, as you know. So we'll have a lesser weight on this. Plus, these are meant to do a lot of off-road. However, being said that, it does not compromise on the comfort feature. So your basic initial part of the spring works like a very comfortable spring, almost close to a coil spring suspension setup. And post that, it takes away all the beating that you do all off-road. Normally for all our expeditions, we carry close to 300, 400, 5 kg, 100 kgs of weight on the rear. So yeah, I mean, problem we were facing was that with the conventional stock springs, they were almost flat all the time, because by stock category, the vehicle has been designed to carry a load of 250 kgs max, which was obviously not sufficient for us for all our expeditions. All our gear, all our equipment, everything that goes in the truck adds to close to 400 to 500 kgs of weight. So we had two options: either add one more leaf to a spring or two leaf springs and then change shockers accordingly. So we opted for this thing, which is the composite fiber leaf spring. So they are supposed to perform great, and we'll definitely drive this thing in some time, and let's see how it performs.
And how to get these for
So
other
you can
people?
order directly from Dr. Nano website. It's there. I mean, like, just Google it, you'll see Dr. Nano. So it's a pretty unique name. So yeah, he's the only one in India. We've been using their leaf springs, these composite springs on Thar, Gypsy earlier. This is their latest variant for off-roading that has come out, and we certainly wanted to try that because of the confidence we had with them, because of our past experience of installing their composite springs in Thar and Gypsy. So yeah, but yeah, definitely we'll put in a review once we install this.
And is it just for testing right now?
No, we want to keep them.
Okay.
We will keep
Keeping.
them.
Okay.
When I wanted to say review, that means that how it actually performs, we'll tell you after driving the vehicle with the load,
Okay.
which will be the practical test of a vehicle.
Okay.
All the mechanical test, machinery test, theoretical test,
And
somehow do not apply 100% when it comes to practical reality.
one more thing, are they on board with the overlanding rig?
Yeah,
as
yeah.
sponsors?
So yeah, so they are not our sponsors as such, but they've agreed that they're sending us this entire set of suspension for rear and front, and we are installing it. And they were committed that they will stand next to it if this thing breaks down, anything happens to it. In past, we never faced an issue when it comes to warranty with these guys. They've been phenomenal. However, they've agreed to do this, that whatever happens, they'll stand next to us.
Okay. And do we have any kind of promotions through you?
Yeah, so we will be putting a promotion code. Anyone wants to buy any kind of suspension from them, you can use our code and you get some rebates, some offers.
So we can put it in the description in case.
Yeah, you should put it actually.
Okay.
Correct.
Great.
Yeah.
So let's have
Let's
a look.
see how this performs.
Yeah.
So these are the composite leaf springs. और ये हमारे भाई साहब, भैया आपका नाम बताओ।
वाजिद।
ये है वाजिद। वाजिद, लगाने में ज़्यादा मेहनत तो नहीं लगी?
नहीं सर।
कुछ अलग से तो करना नहीं पड़ा आपको?
नहीं।
आपको कितनी देर लगी इसको लगाने में? आधे घंटे में आपने दोनों कमानियाँ लगा दी है, और आगे वाला भी बोल्ट ऑन है, तो मेरे ख्याल से आधे घंटे में वो भी हो जाना चाहिए. So as you know, I mean, like, this thing can be bolted on. It's a bolt-on suspension, so won't take more than 2-3 hours to install. Max to max 4 or 5 hours.
So right now we are measuring the height of the stock suspension.
So the fender lining is at 35 inches.
It is on 35 right now.
34.5 actually.
34.5.
Yeah.
So we are gonna measure it once the front suspension is completely changed to Dr. Nano. So here we go. We're starting the process now. So guys, these are the Dr. Nano front suspension coils and the suspension. These particular ones are meant for added weight, which is, for example, you have got a winch in front, or if you got a metal bumper in front, so you guys can install these kind of coils and the suspensions, which would give you really good support when it comes to driving with the added weight. And these particular ones are from Dr. Nano, which is specialized in these kind of custom built suspensions. And if in case you talk about the height which the car is gonna get or the vehicle is gonna get is almost 2.5 inches. And if in case you want to add more height, they provide these kind of add-ons which help you to get higher raise. And if we talk about the actual height of Isuzu, we measured it, it was almost 34.5 inches. So once these front suspensions are installed, we are going to measure it again and we'll let you know how much height is gained. So these people are working on the front suspension. They're just getting it apart. Once ये खुल जाएगा, they will also install the front suspension. So stay. Suspension काम almost done है and we are getting the things done. So nuts tight हो रहे हैं and car is almost ready. So what we're gonna do now is we are gonna just get this car washed and most probably एक या दो दिन के अंदर I'll try to get this vehicle and make a review out of it. कि how this car is performing after getting the modifications done for the suspension from Dr. Nano. So please इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए so that upcoming videos जो हैं वो आपको मिलती रहें. At the same time please do comment आपको ये content कैसा लग रहा है. If in case you have any suggestions, please do suggest. So guys, right now we have already fixed the Dr. Nano suspension. Earlier it was 34.5. So it is almost 36. Almost 36. So it has given almost a height of what? 1.5. Quarter to 2 inches. Yep. Okay guys, so I'm back from Dwarka. Almost 8 बज गए पहुंचते 6-7 घंटे लग गए उसको सेटअप करने में. Although it does not take that long, but हाँ आज थोड़ा टाइम लग गया. तो हम लोग इसका रिव्यू तो नहीं बना पाए हैं because रिव्यू के लिए you need another 2 hours or so. तो मैंने फ्रेंड से बात कर ली है आशीष से. आशीष को मैंने बोल दिया कि मे बी इन अ डे और 2 वी विल गो आउट फॉर रिव्यू फॉर दैट. सो स्टे कनेक्टेड फॉर दैट रिव्यू एज वेल बिकॉज दैट इज गोना बी अपलोडेड वेरी सून. और अब तक यहाँ तक वीडियो देख लिए तो प्लीज थम्स अप, उसको आप लाइक कर दीजिए. और सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है आपने चैनल अभी तक तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब भी कर दीजिए बिकॉज आने वाली वीडियोस भी इंपॉर्टेंट होंगी. अगर आपने आज का वीडियो देखा है तो आने वाला वीडियो जो होगा रिव्यू का दैट वुड आल्सो बी रियली इंपॉर्टेंट. और जहां तक रही बात मेरे पुराने कंटेंट की, मैंने काफ़ी वीडियोस अपलोड किए हैं. प्लीज गो अहेड एंड चेक देम आउट. आई विल पुट आई बटन ऑन द टॉप समवेयर हेयर जिसमें प्लेलिस्ट होगी सारी, तो आप लोग उसको भी चेकआउट कर सकते हैं. आज काफ़ी लेट हो गया है सो I'll just close this vlog right now here. So ऐसे ही किसी बढ़िया वीडियो के साथ दोबारा मिलते हैं. Take care of yourself and take care of your family.